Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change our screen timeout in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So to change our timeout options, we have to go to settings. Then we're looking for display options here, brightness, etc. And here we have our screen timeout. As of now, as you can see, it's 5 minutes. We can change it to 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute to 5, 10 minutes max. There is no custom options in default settings, but the range is quite big. Let's leave it as 10 minutes, for example. Back out, and as you can see, screen timeout is set to 10 minutes. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.